Hi everyone, my name is Matt Brown. Sorry, I usually don't do these intro videos so late in the first week, but we've been dealing with a lot of illnesses in our house over the past week and a half or so, and I'm the latest one to succumb to it, so here I am. But I am a 6th through 8th grade science teacher in Sharon Springs, Kansas, and I also teach a little bit of coding and robotics. It's our first year doing it. Kind of a cool little experience for me to be able to expand, what I'm able to teach and what I'm able to do. I coach junior high football, and I also coach junior high track. So I'm pretty heavily involved in the junior high community aspect of the school, at least. I've been here this is my 7th year of teaching. This is my 2nd year in the program and my final semester. So looking forward to finishing up with this class and my practicum this May. I guess in terms of what I'm looking forward to getting out of this class is just having a better understanding and maybe a well-rounded knowledge of Google and what it does. In my school, we're not real tech-savvy staff, and so if a teacher has a question about Google, they come to me because we're starting to integrate it more. And quite honestly, I don't have all the answers, so I just kind of fake it till you make it. But I'm hoping this class will help me, expand, broaden my horizons a little bit, and become more of a well-rounded educator. Um, and again, I want to wish everybody here the best of luck. I think it's going to be a very beneficial class for me to take, considering I love Google Classroom, and just being able to know more about Google in general will help me tremendously for the future. Good luck this semester, and we'll be talking to you later.